Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Talkora English. I'm John.
And I'm Emma. Today, you'll learn how to ask for help at work. I'm not sure how to do this. Maybe I should ask someone for help.
Emma, do you remember your first time asking a coworker for help?
Oh, yes. I was nervous, but it turned out to be very easy.
Asking for help is completely normal, even for experts.
That's right. Everyone needs help sometimes.
Listen carefully. Repeat after me. Could you help me, please?
Please?
Excellent. Now repeat. I have a question.
Excuse me, John. Do you have a moment?
Of course, Emma. What do you need?
I'm trying to finish this report, but I'm stuck on this part.
No problem. Let's take a look together. Today's word, assist. It means to help someone with a task.
Example. Can you assist me with this file? Repeat. Assist.
Look, you just need to click here, then save the file like this.
Oh, I see. That makes so much more sense now. Thank you so much, John. I really appreciate your help.
You're very welcome. That's what teammates are for.
Repeat after me. I really appreciate your help.
Now repeat after me. That's what teammates are for.
Excuse me, Mr. Carter. Could I ask you something?
Of course, Emma. Come in, please.
I don't understand this part of the project. Could you explain it again, please?
Certainly. Let me walk you through it step by step.
Here's a polite way to ask again. Would you mind explaining that again?
It sounds very respectful. Repeat with me. Would you mind explaining that again?
Today's words: help, support, question.
Explain, guide, advice. Repeat each word slowly.
You look a little confused. Do you need any help?
That's very kind, John. Helping others makes the office friendlier. Explain.
Explain. Repeat. Explain.
Great job! Clear pronunciation makes communication easier. Quick quiz. What can you say instead of I don't understand? A, could you explain that again?
I don't care. The answer is A. Great job if you got it right.
Now it's your turn. Imagine you need help with a task at work.
Pause the video and say, could you help me with this, please?
Let's review. Could you help me, please? And I really appreciate your help.
Would you mind explaining that again? Great practice today. Fantastic work today. Now you know how to ask for help at work.
Practice every day, and we'll see you in the next lesson. Bye!